Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've done one of those things again, and I might have just bought some more storage, and I might have just bought myself another pen. But why not? Yeah, I just happened to be late night browsing as you do on Amazon, and yeah, I came across this. It's actually an Artdot storage case, which I've used Artdot stuff quite a bit in the past, and it always seems to be really good quality. And I came across this case that's got these beautiful butterflies on it and all this blue and pink, and I thought, I don't like that pattern, and that would be quite snazzy for my diamond painting. And then goodness me, it was on special offer, so I thought it'd be rude not to. Let's have a look at it and see what we got. Okay, right, it is one of the cases with the nice retractable handle, which just pulls up and goes down, so a nice sturdy handle. It's got a very soft feel, pretty similar to the others, but this edging is very soft, very pretty. But look at that, butterflies and pink and flowers. And then open it this way, Liz. Open it this way. Or will it be this way? Will it be that way? Hang on. Let me check, because you know what I'm like. Nope, it's that way. Need one of my labels, my Charlotte labels on it, so that I open it the right way up. And, oh, we've got extras in it as well. Okay. Oh, we've got one of the lids missing. Let me just pop that one on. Got a little silicone bag there to keep it dry, but yes, it's a 60 storage container, and I just thought, yeah, I've got to have that. You never have too much storage, and I just thought the colours were nice. There's quite a few different ones coming out, isn't there, with them, all the different colours and things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so I've got 60 of your little containers. And the standard size ones, so the hard plastic insides, and then the little bit softer lids, which I like the best. I can't be doing with the hard plastic lids on the hard plastic containers going when you close them, nails down a blackboard. This foam actually is very sturdy. Seems a lot more solid than the other ones that I've had in the past. You know, that's sort of not bending really. So yeah, slightly different make, but as I say, Artdot tend to be a nice quality. I've got their drawer things, and I've had their like desk tidy that you put your different trays in for when you're doing your multi-placing and things. And yeah, I've been quite happy with their stuff, so I thought I would give one of their containers a go. Got a nice little netted pocket at the top there. We have quite a big toolkit in here. We'll have a look at these. Okay, these set of containers, I have measured them in the past. They hold your little 200 packs. They hold between 7 and 8 of those, so between 14 and 1600 drills, depending on the size of the drills, I suppose. But yeah, if you tap them down, you get that a little bit more in. So yeah, oh, love it. We've got a little funnel with a square top. This little bag, so it just pops out. So if you do like using your funnels, oh, that's gone a bit of a funny shape. Mind you, it's come a long way. It's got a bit squished, and you just put it into the top. Oh, it's alive. Just pop it into the top of your container and pour your drills in, and it just stops them from going everywhere. Well, it does a little bit anyway. I must admit, I tend not really to use them, but I suppose if you've got a lot of drills, then yeah, it's probably a really handy tool. Depends what you're used to doing and what you like using. You get used to your own little ways, don't you? Okay, so let's have a look in here. Lots of pink pens. We've got one of our nice straighteners again, which have the it's very difficult to show, very thin edge. Looks a lot fatter on there than it actually is, but it's very thin. So if you're wanting to put your drills up to it when you're diamond painting, or space your drills out, then you can do with that. And then looks like we've got 4 single places, and then what have we got here? That looks like a 3. Has that one got it written on? I think that's a 5 or a 6. Let me have a look. Get my trusty bit of card out. See, I've still not replaced it. So that's the next size up. So that one's a 6. So we've got a 6 placer. Say that one's a 3. So we're going 3, 6. So we're going to go 9 as well. Is this a 9 or is this a... Oh no, that's... Or is that a 7? No, that's another 6. Okay. So we've got 2 6 places. Oh, they didn't look the same, but obviously they are. And I suspect that might be a 9. Yeah, you tend to find if they put them in sets that you'll get maybe a 3, 6 and a 9. They seem to like doing that quite a bit with some of these. I suppose it just makes it easier when you're doing it. A nice little bag of grip seal bags. I would think 20-ish there. Maybe a few more. So yeah, always handy. 2 little green trays, so you can use your trays. Your plastic tweezers, which, as I say, I now use them for putting silicone glue on things. A big piece of wax. It's 2, 4, 6, 10 little squares of pink wax. We've got your white boat. These are good. I use these when I'm doing my kitting ups and kitting downs. You've probably seen me using them. I don't really use them when I'm diamond painting, to be fair. I've got my Hatfield tray and my Admiral Zest tray and things. But yeah, I do still use these for kitting up and kitting down. And when I'm moving drills from one place to another, very good at catching drills, those. Got a little set of stickers. So what we've got here, 60, do we think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 takes a 64. So we've got just slightly over 60 of your stickers there. I'll put those somewhere else and I'll put the wax somewhere else. But we'll put these back in here for now. So yeah, and this one cost me £17.84, which I thought for a patterned storage case for under £18. I thought that was pretty good value. You got your extra little bits and pieces as well if you need them. But yeah, I have seen some of these at sort of, I'll leave that out for now, at sort of £25. So I thought that was pretty good value. So yeah, that's a new case. And then I got a new pen. I just saw the pen and I thought, I like that. I really like that. So this wasn't on special offer, but it was only £8.69. So it looks like we've got some waxing with this as well. We've got some we've got some multi-places in this as well. Okay. But yeah, look at that. It's all little tweeties. It's got like little oranges and apples and limes and lemons and pears. Look, there's a pineapple there as well. But I just love the apple. Look at the apple there. I just thought that was brilliant. I thought, oh, I've got to have that. Look at the melon at this end. And I just thought, oh, I love it. It's just all like, well, I suppose the fruit slices. I thought they were sweets. Maybe they are like boiled sweets, but yeah, I just think it's wonderful. I love it. So we've got a small, I think that's a 4 placer at that end. Is that a 4? Yeah, that's one of the new thinner 4 placers. Obviously you've got your single placer at this end, but these can all be taken out and whichever ones you want to use, put in. Just give it a quick measure, see how long the pen is. Where's my tape measure gone? I've only just been using it. I'm looking for my tape measure in my drawer and it's on my desk ready. Oh dear. So the actual barrel of the pen is 5 inches, which is about 13-ish centimetres. So it's a nice length. It's not a bad weight. It's not the lightest one I've felt, but it's not the heaviest. But it's got some good sort of indentations for you to hold it, however you hold your pen. I'm finding that this middle finger is getting a little bit sore from sort of like gripping a pen. So rather than I normally hold it as though I'm writing, I've actually started putting my fingers like this now so that my fingers are stretched out, so I'm not bending my fingers quite so much, and I'm finding I'm not getting quite so much pain. But obviously you'll work out whichever way is best for you. But I just absolutely love that. All the little bits in there, all the little fruits. There's a grapefruit there as well. Every time I look at it, oh, I'm not quite sure what the star one is at this end. Oops, sorry, at this end. I'm not quite sure what the star one is at this end here. Could be a star fruit, I suppose, but I don't think star fruits look like that. But yeah, I just think it's great how they get them all in there and do that. It's just amazing. I love watching resin videos on YouTube, but that is fascinating. And the apple, I think the apple's my favourite. This apple right in the middle here, that's my favourite. That just makes me smile. But yeah, I ain't going to get much diamond painting done. I'm going to get distracted by all the different things in there and think, oh look, that's another one. Right, let's have a look in here. Okay, so we've got two big squares of, and that's the red wax. And then, we've got a straightener. So I do use straighteners. I do like a straightener because I do find I am very wonky with my drills. And these are the new style of the multi-placers as well, the thinner, newer ones that people seem to like more. That one is a 7-placer. Okay, and what's this one then? Is this a 9 or is it a 10? No, it's a 10. So we've got a 4, a 7 and a 10. Well, that's good then. So we've got a 3, 6 and 9 in there, and a 4, a 7 and a 10 in this one. So we've nearly got a full set. Okay, that's great. So yeah, I thought you'd just like to see my little bargain buys that I got. Well, sort of bargain buys. I think this is a bargain. I think that's well worth £8. What did I say? £8.74. I think that's well worth the money. I love that. Okay, well, I could sit and look at that all day, but I'm not going to because I want to get downstairs and start doing some diamond painting. Yay! Okay, well, as I say, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. They were from Amazon. I will put links down below. If you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the links down below as well. And if you've really enjoyed looking at these, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next and see me possibly kitting up using this one, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.